Hello, great minds. Now let's look at this problem. Now solve the equation 3 raised to the power of x raised to the power of 2 equals to 9 raised to the power of x plus 4. Now how do we solve this problem? Now the first thing you need to look at now, the base here. So you ensure now that we have the same base. So you express 9 in index form. So this turns to 3 raised to the power of x squared equals to 3 raised to the power of 2, which is the same thing as 9 times x plus 4. Now here, since we have equal base, then you can equate the powers. So you have x squared equals to 2 times x plus 4, right? So we have x squared equals to, now let's open the bracket, 2 times x, we have 2x plus 8. Okay, so now this turns to x squared minus 2x minus 8 equals to 0 when you move this to this side. All right, now so we solve this. So we have x squared minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 equals to 0. All right, so now what is the common factor here? We have x times x minus 4. Now what is the common factor? That is 2. So we have x minus 4 equals to 0. Now you factor out x minus 4. So we have x minus 4 times x plus 2 equals to 0. All right, so two numbers are multiplying each other to have 0. So it's either x minus 4 equals to 0 or x plus 2 equals to 0. All right, so therefore x equals to 4 or x equals to minus 2. Thank you for watching.